In this lecture, we'll be starting with built-in functions. The first one that we'll be taking a look at is the numeric functions that are built in Python. First of all, you can see that we have a string variable over here which has this numeric value 10 in it, and using the int method we are just converting string to integer type. Here we are just printing the values and type of the variable. So we are saying x is type of x, which will print string, and then the value that it holds. Similarly, for y, it is going to print integer and then the value 10. If we have a decimal or float value, so that also can be converted from string using the float method and just passing the variable to it as parameter. Then we have negative values, and if you just want to get the absolute value of it, you can do so using the abs method. And finally, we have another method called divmod, which gives you the division as well as the remainder. So here what we are doing is we're dividing 10 by 3, so whatever is the remainder will be shown as a tuple. So if I run this now, the first thing that you'll notice, x is a string and the value it contains is 10, then y is integer and the value is 10. Similarly, a is a string with a value 10.0, and then we are converting it and assigning it to b as float 10.0. Then d is an integer with negative value -47, and when we are saying absolute, it is converting it to 47, but the class still remains integer. Then when we are making use of divmod, we're getting a tuple as a result, and the value you can see 3 is the quotient and then 1 is the remainder. So 3 times 3, 9 plus 1, 10. There's the result that is showing. So that was numeric functions in Python, and you can get a look at it in detail on the docs.python.org website. In the next one, we'll be taking a look at string functions.